So guys, welcome to another catch up, section 3. So right now, actually I've been making this video for the past few months and we've never posted anyone, but we'll start posting because we stopped posting on the YouTube channel. Probably I'm going to address that very soon. So the reason why we stopped. So guys, we have been working for the past, I think, 2 or 3 weeks now. So here are some mini bags we are producing. I just remember today because if I should finish this and send them, probably there are some work we finished that I didn't get to show you guys. I didn't get to because I am just starting this now. But I'll just see what I can do if I get the pictures. Some we are going to work on, I will just show you guys later. So as you can see here, we have I think 22. Someone ordered for 20, so we'll be making 22 and sending it to them. Actually we are making around 80 or 90 of them, and we have few here we've cut but not yet touched. As you can see, this one here, we'll start working on them but halfway, and these are 3 different patterns. We have this one with pink, we have those one with purple, and we have black below it. And here is another, even the interface, we've not even cut the material at all. So we are just working on it. As you can see how everything is. So probably today is already late. I want to leave the shop because I have to go pick up some things I make order for. When I get back tomorrow, probably all this one I'm going to leave them this way, or maybe once I come back it will be at night. Okay, I can't leave this for tomorrow. When I come back it will be late at night, so I have to finish this. I might not show you, but I'll just show you the continuation tomorrow or next once I proceed with the rest of the work. So guys, sorry for not posting for a while. I should not be even apologizing now because I have to catch up. I've not even posted, and we've been making this. We've not posted on the channel for past few months now. But when you guys start watching this, you understand what I mean. So enough talking. I'll see you guys later. Good morning, guys. So welcome to the continuation of the catch up we are making. This is the section 3 of the catch up. So today I'm at the workshop very early. I will show you what we have been doing for the past few days now. I've not been making this video for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. For a few days I started back, but I have done a lot of the work which I'll be showing you guys now. And once I show you guys will be aware of everything we have been doing. Probably weekly updates is coming back very soon because I see that a lot of you learned from there, and the tutorial, we have some work we've done, we have some tutorial we've made for you guys that you guys will be learning from. So I just need to give you some updates, show you some things at the workshop, something I talk about in the first section, the second section, and now the talk section. And the book I was talking about, I'm going to talk more of. I've not even have the time to read those books because I have a lot. I have to attend class, I have assignments, I have this, I have that, this business, go to meeting, and 2 other business I do. So I have to, it's not easy. It's not easy. We are just trying to survive and make money. That's So let me turn the camera now and show you guys. But before then, as you can see, the inside, you see those frame? The frame we talked about the last time I was saying I'm going to fix. I have fixed them, the 6 frame to the certificate, and we still have more. I have up to like 5 certificates there that I'm supposed to handle. Not even the ordinary one. This one, they should just be there. Later on when I have my own personal office, I will make that happen. And I think we still have some CAC yet to become one for King Luxury. I separated this business last year. I separated to 3. The Delight Bag collection, which is mainly for production. Then we have the School of Bag Making for trading. We have the King Luxury to market some of our luxury items. And the Delight Bag collection, we still have our own collection as well for those reasonable ones where everything is reasonable, for those affordable ones. The luxury one too, they are affordable, but to some extent, to some standard level of people. So let me turn this camera and show you guys. I know you guys have missed my face, but some of you don't want to see my face. End up still looking at my face. See you guys at the other side. So guys, welcome. As you can see, I show you few of these. I have finished them, gum everything together, and these are the fronts, these are the bottom, and here on the machine we have the gusset, which are the side. But today what we are going to be working on is fixing all these magnets, the other side of the magnets. Once we fix them, we have the lining already cut down. These are the lining. Fix the lining, before you know, then we start assembling the bag. And after we finish this week, probably it might get to where we need to stop the catch up, but I will still show you few. I will see if we can just make this one. I think each of them are 4. So if you check, this is 12, 4, 4, 8, that's 12, and we have few here. This is not few, this is a lot, and we have some there that we've not even cut material for. So whichever way it goes now, this is just the updates, and everywhere is filled up. Some work we've been up to, some things we've been doing. So here are those frames. As you can see, if you check that first one, that is for the light back collection, the Smitham. I don't know if this is going to be clear. Then we have the second one for Okin Luxury. We have this one for, as you can see, the lights back. The light bag collection. This is for the light bag collection, this one here. And the first one I show you is for School of Bag Making. Then we have this one for Bella African, a class we attend for fashion, brand and planning workshop. Then we have this one for Youth African workshop, which is a collaboration with Mastercard and Pan, I think Pan institution, something of that nature. Then this is for Abuja AEA, Abuja Enterprises Agency. The competition we attended, the certificate, we didn't get the fund, the grants, but you know, they presented a certificate to us, so I just decided to hang it. And this is our Delight CAC. There's another CAC coming for Okin Luxury very soon, and for School of Bag Making, we've started the registration as well, but we've not done with it because we need fund for that. And this is my lovely book. So very soon you have some content on that particular book. Other than that, what do we have at the workshop? Nothing to really show you guys. Just a random stuff and few stuff. And okay, I went to the market a few days ago to get some stuff. As you can see, this particular rope and this taping, it's a little bit different to the one I used to use, more stockish. So I have to get this, and I think I have a roll and quarter below there, so I still need to buy this. But I will just, when I'm using them, I will just mix everything together. So that is just the update for you guys. And sorry, the video might not be clear here because there's no source of light inside here, so compared to this side, that is a little bit more clear. Aha, this is another fabrics I need to show you guys. I'm making one big lock bag for a client, the good clients we used to make bags for. So I'll be making one for her. She said the owner is in the bag is going to the US, so probably once it gets there, when they take a picture with it, we might get a picture to post or to show you guys. So I'll be making one today. So I don't know how I'm going to do. Maybe I should start this, fix all the magnet first, then I will abandon it, then focus on this and finish it, because I need to start it today, finish it today, and deliver to it today. But whichever way it goes, I'll still keep you guys updated and maybe film a little bit of time lapse. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoying this little update, even if there are not much things for you to learn, but I'll still try my best to just teach you a few things. So guys, thank you for being here. For those of you who have not subscribed, you can consider subscribing, like this video, leave in the comment section what you think. And for those of you who are interested in learning bag making, my WhatsApp will be in the link in the description. You can chat with me directly to get a process or the requirement for you to learn, whether you want to buy the package or you just want to do the online training. We are available for that, both for the online training and for the physical class, as long as you are close to where the workshop is. So guys, enough talking, see you guys later. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the catch up. So I show you this material few days ago that I will be working on it, and I have started already. I did this yesterday, but I didn't get time to finish it, so I abandoned it. This morning I just started. I just finished this. Now we're applying gum. I just remember that, let me show guys. Also, I think I will be making this small portable bag for the client, just as gift inside. And those one I was making the other day, as you can see, I finished most of them, but I still have few left. I think I have 8 left here. There are 22, so I have done, I think, 12 or even more than that. So as you can see, these are all the paper bags. We have some there that I just need to assemble and couple before I will now do the rest. So it will take me a few weeks to do the rest, maybe to catch up more, because there's nobody that ordered this yet. I'm just going to do it at my free time. But whichever way it goes, you guys will see the updates. So right now we'll continue with this one, and I think maybe I will be filming a time lapse a little bit so that you guys can see how the process is going. So welcome back guys, it's good to be here, and I'll see you at the continuation. So guys, that is as it's going. I just finished this lovely beautiful bag. I will packaging it and sending it to the owner. And this is the chain I have left. I just need to tidy up the workshop. And I also make this portable little one. I didn't talk about it earlier. I'm going to be, I don't know, it's like I talk about it here. I'll be sending it to the owner of those one. So later on, once I come back, probably I need to do a lot of things at the market and meet up with some people. I don't know. So if I come back, if I'm able to finish this, if I'm not able, that will be by the weekend or next week. I don't know. Whichever way it goes, you guys will be updated. So that's just how the workshop is right now. Just want to update you guys. See you guys later. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the video, the catch up. As you guys can see, I'm done with all this bag. This is everything. I think about few days ago when I was making it, I did not make this particular one. There are two, this the orange one and the yellow one. So this one is among the one I did not make. This yellow, the orange, and this pink. Should I say no, this is purple, right? Or this is purple, yeah, that is pink, this is purple. So we are done with the bag, and we are not fully done, but this week, yeah, it's already late for me to end this video and continue. It's going to have a ring, and the ring is here already, but it's weekend already, and tomorrow Sunday I will not be coming to the workshop. So each and every one of them is going to have a ring. So probably in next catch up next month, you guys will get to see it And also the bag I was making few days ago, I show you guys the Ashoki and the mini wag. I package it, I've sent it to the owner already. The bag is going all the way from here to US. Actually, I send it to Lagos, so from Lagos it will be going to the US for a big client. So probably it's from a client's client, if you understand what I mean. The people we used to, it's a private brand we produce for that need it for their clients. So probably when the picture gets to them, we can just get a picture from them and show you guys. But it's not very soon. You can just see it on the Instagram page anytime soon. So when you see the bag, you understand, oh, this is the particular bag we make few weeks ago. So guys, those bags are also going out for a client, and we'll be making some tote bag in next month. You guys will get to see, once you watch this, you watch the one for next month, because the person that owns this 6 bag here also owns 20 of this, and we are making another 40, I think 40 or 20 something tote bag. When I check my record, I will check again. So next month expect great content and video, because we have a lot of work. As you can see, this one to be made, we have few pattern here that we've cut down, we've not made this type of bag, 2 of it. So probably I will be making a tutorial on that for you guys. So whichever way it goes, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in next week updates. Bye for now. If you've not subscribed, use this time to subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video on the channel. Share this video with people you know it might be of help to them. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. And for those of you who are interested in learning both for online and physical, we are ready. My WhatsApp will be in the link in the description, so from there you can chat with me to get more information or updates regard to the training. So guys, enough talking. Thank you guys for being here, for the support. We really appreciate you guys, and we shall see you in the next one.